Hello, Monica and Connected Whole Health team. This is the first in just a couple of short videos that are going to show you how to make some updates to the website. So the screen that you're looking at here is what you will first be presented with when you get logged into the site, and I will be sending out a user account for Monica. I think really the only thing you need to be familiar with here is that this is where these training videos, the one that you're watching right now, will be located. So right now it's just the default training videos here. When I start adding them more, this section will become scrollable like this one, and you'll see the other videos that I've made down below here. Otherwise, I think for the most part, the main thing you'll be doing is making updates to the pages. So we'll just come right down here to pages. And let's just assume that the edits you need to make in this instance are to the home page. So you just come to the page that you need to make edits to. You click the name of that. And you'll see that the stuff here corresponds to what we have on the home page here. So you can see bringing world-class care into our community, bringing world-class care into our community, and so on. Our services, we get results. Our services, we get results. So let's say, for instance, that you needed to make an edit to this block of text right here. We'd scroll down to where it says latest medical research and trends, and we would update this block. You can see as you hover over any of these things, you get a little green bar. So we're just going to go ahead and go right here. If you hover long enough, it'll tell you what each of those things does. That says edit text block, so we're just going to go ahead and click that. And you get a pop-up window here with the text in it. You can move this as need be. You can resize this window as you want. You can make this text space larger to work in. But for the most part, you can see it's just like working in a Word document. So you've got bold and italics and bullet points and all of those good things. So if you want to add some new text, there we go. We've added some text. We hit that. And then to save it and make it go to the front end of the website, we hit update over here on the right-hand side. Don't worry, we'll be getting rid of it in just a second. We'll hit refresh here, and we can see that now we have that new text added here as well. Before we get rid of it, I'm also going to show you how to add a link. So let's just come right back into this same text block. We can highlight that text. Come right up here to this little link icon, click that. The easiest way to do it, I think, is to just go ahead and click this link options, this little gear right here, and you get a little tool. So rather than having to write the link, you can come right here. This shows you all of the pages on the website. Rather than having to look through it, let's just start typing contact here. There we go. We click the contact page. It writes the whole link out for us, so we don't have to worry about getting it right or making a typo. We hit add link. Again, we hit save changes, and again, we hit update over here on the right-hand side. Come to the front end, hit refresh, and we can see that that is now a link. And if we click it, it takes us right over here to the contact page. Let's just go ahead and delete that before we forget. Save, update, refresh, and that is gone. That is really, I think, all that you're probably going to want to know about editing text on the website. I am happy to show you some more on how to rearrange pages and do some organizational work. But for now, I'm just going to start off with the simplest things. So there is editing text and adding links. I'm also going to show you how the next video will be about updating the team members, and I'll also show you how to access the forms from the back end of the site. So that is the end of video number 1. Thanks so much.